Hello everyone, my tarot family. This is Medhasri and I have come again with a tarot reading for you guys. So today I have not pre-shuffled the cards, and what I'm going to do is shuffle it in front of you and see what are the messages. So this time I thought that why not talk about the current blockages that you're facing in your current scenario. That can be regarding your health, family, relationship, career, and whatever that is coming your way. So let's just see what is the blockage that is coming and what is the advice that is coming directly from the universe. Okay, so yes, let's get started. Five of Pentacles, King of Pentacles, Two of Swords, King of Swords, Six of Cups. Okay, so now what I see is, guys, that a lot of you are constantly waiting for your finances to be at a very secure place. So all I see is that you're feeling very lonely and you're not being able to share with people. Your finances are not growing. There is a financial crunch, if you can say. Okay, and in terms of socializing as well, there is too much of loneliness, and you're not being able to connect with people heart to heart. Okay, you're all alone. Just look at this card. Okay, so you're like alone, you're trying to deal with your problems alone, and you don't you feel that nobody's understanding you, and that is something that is stopping you from sharing. And in some of your cases, it is also that you're not getting that right person with whom you can share, with who will understand your issues and maybe be there beside you, that way, that strong, solid, concrete, pillar, a strength. So that is missing in your life. And of course there is financial crunch, I can see that. Okay, now the King of Pentacles tells me that you have, majority of you, have been at a point very trusting your inner power, and you used to rise up to the situation, and you were pretty strong. You nothing could shake your confidence, and you had that practicality in you. You knew how to go about, but you see that missing, and for some reason you're not being able to get that back completely, and you're just wondering that what is it that I need to get that thing back in me. So you're trying your best to rise in that power, call that power from within and do every bit of it to just come out of this situation, be financially secure, grab those opportunities, like be a go-getter. Okay, and also at the same time be someone to whom people come, not that you have to go to someone, rising up to that level. And here again we have the Two of Swords energy also. So I do see that there's a lot of confusion. For some of you, it is like you have options, specifically two, but you're so blinded by your own inhibitions, own negative belief systems, and also listening too much to what others are saying. Some are saying this is good, some are saying okay, just take a break, do this. Some are saying no, don't do that, why don't you grab this new opportunity. And this is just making a whole lot of confusion in your mind, in your life. Okay, so what I feel is that don't let too many people interfere. Okay, people are going to say, give their feedback to you, give their understanding to you, but it is also very important to know that what actually you want. Okay, so here whenever you are having that kind of confusion, which is showing that there is some kind of crossroad, like choices. See which choice will give you that inner satisfaction, inner happiness. Okay, and that, when you start enjoying the journey, that is going to help you to achieve that goal that you have in mind. Maybe a road will give you that goal, instant goal, but you might not enjoy the journey, because at this moment you're very very upset with us, a few things which have been constantly bothering you. So make sure that you take that choice which genuinely is going to make you happy, so that you can walk on that road and achieve that goal. And the King of Swords is telling me that you have to be extremely intelligent, sharp, and very brutally honest while making this choice. Okay, that this is what I want, this is what I am looking for, this is what makes me happy and aligns with my goals that I have in my mind. So just stick to that. No people pleasing, nothing. Don't do that. Don't have to think, okay, I didn't make this choice, what if this person feels bad, okay, I didn't do this, what if this goes wrong, everyone is suggesting. I don't think at this moment what everyone is suggesting is something that you should go ahead with. Okay, in case you want to, that is again your choice. Maybe it will be something which aligns with what your long-term vision is, but I still feel, think practically, think very logically, and also at the same time see to it that you are not making yourself very unhappy in doing that. Be unapologetically yourself. That is basically what, small concise form I can tell you, short concise form. Just be yourself. This is what I want, this is what I'm not getting, I'm not happy, and this is what I want to achieve, and whatever is needed, I'll do it, I will take care of it. So rise up to that power, because that is very much needed, because you have to. Because we have this King of Pentacles, which you were at one point of time, that practical, that grounded, very strong personality. From that you have to become the King of Swords. Okay, not just practical, but make a very intelligent choice. And then we have the Six of Cups. Okay, so this is telling me that you are also looking, as in the beginning we had this Five of Pentacles. So it's also telling me that you need that nurturing environment for yourself. Okay, so maybe some of you have lost touch with someone with whom you really connected very well when you were young. Okay, younger than what you are right now, and they really understood your language. Even some of you might have such friends or family members or cousins who instantly could tap onto your energy and tell you that, hey, are you okay, and is this the area in which you're disturbed? Maybe you need to connect with those kind of people who actually at one point understood you very well, and for some reason you have not been able to keep in touch on a regular basis. So that would help you. Okay, some of you may even spend time with your pets. Okay, so because that is going to give you a lot of happiness. And in case you're lonely, you can get one pet, adopt one, or if your friends or any family member has that, go and play and have some fun playful energy around. Okay, so that is going to help. And also, like, your heart is craving for this loyal friendship, companionship. So make sure that you actually connect with someone who can help you feel better, make you feel better. Okay, so have that nurturing environment also for yourself, because first you need to have that self-love. Okay, and then you can have that energy, you attract that energy where people start loving you, and people are giving you that nurturing environment. Why? Because they see how much you love yourself, and you can't you cannot be giving anything less. Okay, if you're loving yourself to the peak, to the zenith, then they can't just offer you 10%. Okay, so you need to first attract that energy, be that energy. Okay, so love yourself first, take it easy, give yourself some time and then make a choice, and bring these changes, because these are the blockages that I can see, and I have already mentioned that what are the messages that is coming, so that you can make it better for you guys, and help come out of this situation. So yes, this was your reading on your current situation, on the blockage, and I hope this helped and it resonated. And I also give personal readings. You can reach out on my Gmail or my Instagram account, and if you want me to do a reading on a particular topic, you can let me know on the comment section below. Okay, so yeah, so I'll see you in my next reading. Bye bye, take care.